In today's video, I'll be showing you how to configure a decklink dual to capture card for the Userful video wall. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to go new source. You want to enter name, so let's just call it Blackmagic. Then you're going to want to select Blackmagic decklink capture. Now from here, you'll notice there's a whole bunch of options. The very first one is input. For the decklink dual, there are 4 inputs and 1 reference port. The reference port is the port that you should not plug anything into. It's detailed in the documentation found at support.userful.com. In this instance, our content is actually set to play from port number 1, which is 0, because that's the port number minus 1. So because we're picking port 1, we're going to pick 0, and then we're going to want to mode. Now our software and everything is optimized to work for automatic detection, so that's what I strongly recommend. Now as far as connection goes, you can choose whatever you want, but auto generally works the best. And in some rare instances, it's better to do HDMI or HDMI, but in the majority of cases, auto is fine. So from there, you're going to want to click OK. Then you're going to want to drag the video wall down to it, click Apply. On the Linux desktop, you're going to want to go to Applications, and then you're going to want to go to Sound and Video. You always want to make sure firmware is up to date, so click on Firmware, please. In this instance, it is, so we're good. Now, let's go back to Applications, Sound and Video, and then we're going to go Decklink Video Setup. So click that, please. And you'll notice that, right now it's capturing content, so we know it works. But just to make sure it's configured correctly, click on this button, please. And then go Connectors. And make sure you always select just these one option. So if there's only one single option selected, like SDI1 in this case, select that. Do not select the option with both, just select SDI1. And let's go on with the next one. In this instance, we'll just make sure that we choose the section with one option. So in this case, SDI3 is correct because there's only one of them. Hit save, and we'll need to carry on from there. So hit the middle button again, go Connectors, make sure just the one option is selected, that's true. Hit save. And then finally, let's go to the last one. Click that, go Connectors, and then SDI4, so that's correct. Now, for those who are pretty observant, you'll notice that it went 1, 3, 2, 4, and that's correct. That's how decklink duals are set up, 1, 3, 2, 4. It's a little unintuitive, but we do explain it in the documentation found at support.userful.com, so I'd recommend you go there. But that's how it's set up, 1, 3, 2, 4. So let's go back to the very beginning. Now, we know it's capturing content because it's showing content in the middle there. And if we just bring everything back up with our iPad again, you'll notice that both sections have kind of lit up here. So they're both displaying information. So in this instance, 1080p, 59.94 FPS, and same with the output. So we can definitively say that the capture card is capturing content because those two things are displaying those numbers. So that concludes today's tutorial. For additional information, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.